Hey everyone, it's Mario. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm breaking a rule. Cutting open a sausage before cooking it. So stick around and see what I'm doing wrong today. So last time I cooked this, I cut open the hot dog before cooking and put the Vermont white cheddar in it and wrapped it in bacon. And the reason being is the bacon and the hot dog cook at about the same rate and be done at the same time. But the sausage, I had to cook it about halfway, and then I wrapped it in bacon and cooked it the rest of the way, and I put provolone in the bread roll, and I don't have any provolone today. So what I'm going to do is cook it halfway like I did last time, cut it open, put the cheddar cheese in it, wrap it in bacon, cook it the rest of the way, and I think that will be okay. So for the cheese, I am using extra sharp white cheddar. They did not have the Vermont cheddar at BJ's this time, and I had to throw away what I had when I lost power because it started turning colors. Normally when I have a block of cheese like this, you know, use it for snacking, I'll cut it in half and then half again. But it just so happens this width of this cheese is about the same width as the sausage. Coincidence? I think not. So I got this piece, and now I'm just going to cut it in half. Perfect. And for now, I'm just gonna pack this cheese away. A little for the chef. A little more for the chef. Okay, get some parchment paper in there. And gotta get out a couple of sausages. Donna said she didn't want me today, so I'm just gonna make two. Okay, normally I cook this for 380 for 15 minutes. We're going to do 380 for 8 minutes, and that's when we're going to take it out and do the rest of the work. And we'll be back. Okay. So, let's take a look here. Alright, sausage isn't quite halfway, but I think we're good. Now, this is in no way my idea. I saw it on Christy's cooking channel. Last time I used provolone in the bun instead of cutting this open, but I don't have provolone this time around, so let's cut this open. People are not going to be happy with me. So, if you didn't see my last video, first off, why not? Just kidding. You'll know that I did this with the hot dog. So, I'm going to get this piece of cheese, nice big piece of cheese, and put it in there. And put this one here. Now, I pulled the bacon out beforehand so it could get to room temperature because it's easy to stretch. And as always, wet your toothpicks just in case, because you don't want them catching fire. And I'm using 2 pieces of bacon for a few reasons. It's bacon. One piece doesn't completely cover it, and it's bacon. So, got that in there. And this is a thick, nice thick bacon. Originally I thought the thinner bacon would be easier to deal with, but why? Alright. Get those in. See? Let's get these back in the air fryer. 380 for another 8 minutes. We'll start there. And we'll check that in about 8 minutes, see how we're doing. We are going to have to flip this at 4 minutes so the bacon can get cooked all the way around. So we'll be back in 4 actually. So I wasn't sure what rolls I want to use, so we picked up these Arnold potato rolls at BJ's, and I picked up these fresh sub rolls there as well. So I'm going to try one of each of those. There's no perfect one. This one is a little bit small of a bun, this is a little too big, but I can always cut off the ends. In fact, why don't I do that right now? A little off each end. My wife likes the ends, so maybe she'll eat them, or maybe I would. Open those up, and we're going to toast these up in the Breville. I got the rack set on the bagel spot. I'm not going to overly toast these, just enough. And I found one thing. Toast setting, great for toast. Bagel setting, good for bagel. However, I find if you want to toast evenly up and down, the toast setting seems better, and I learned that. That's my preference. That the heating elements must heat differently on the Breville, top and bottom, depending whether you toast or bagel. So I'm going with the toast setting. I'm going to go with an in-between, number 4 power. And I'm going to say 4 slices. I'm going to start this thing up. Okay, that's been about 5 minutes. Let me give this a check. Okay. I don't know if you could see that, but I think it's about time to flip those. And I could see the cheese melting in there. Okay, back in you go. Now this says 3 minutes left, but I think it's going to need a little extra. So I'm going to put 2 more minutes. That'll bring it to a total of 18 minutes, give or take. And we'll check it out at that point. Okay, the bread's done. Let's get that out of there. Nice and lightly toasted, just the way I want it. All right, let's take a look. Oh, just in the nick of time. Listen to that sizzle. I'm gonna take these out of here so you can get a better view. Make sure you unplug those air fryers. Okay. That looks pretty good. Wouldn't you say? Bacon is crisp. So, let's get started here. Yes, I would say that is the perfect size for that. Pop this in here. 5 toothpicks, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Staring me right in the face. Ooh, hot. Now I want you to get a closer look at what you're not going to eat right now. That looks really, really good. Well, I'm going to take a bite of each, so let's start with this one. Looking good. Alright, excellent. Some key differences between this time and last time. Last time I used a couple of slices of provolone. This time I put extra sharp cheddar in there. So it's more cheesy this time around. And I think that's good, and the bacon has a nice salt to it. And I'm sure the cheese has plenty of salt too. I forgot. I'm supposed to taste the other one too. And now we're going to do this one. Obviously they both taste great. The bread's a little different. The other one, the bread's a little too small. The bigger bread, when I cut down, it has a better taste and texture and that nice extra crunch around it. They're both really, really good. So what's my preference? Both, and both from the last time. I guess it depends what kind of cheese you have and what you like better. But I'll tell you either way. Hot dog bun version. This is so good. Christy, you did this to me. So thank you. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and click the little bell for notifications when I make a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Lucky me. Cheers. Now, if this was nighttime, I have 4 hands. I'd have one of these in each hand. And a beverage, a beer. See you later.